what are the most effective ways to bring ACoS down without slowing sales? First, ensure that whenever you're going to bring down your ACoS, that is advertising cost of sales, you are going to optimize, not drastically, but bit by bit. That is the most important thing, because once that you're going to do that, you're going to see, so let's say my ACoS right now, it's 100%, my target ACoS, it's 50%. If I'm going to bring down my bits, bit by bit, 5%, 5%, 5%, and in the meantime, also monitor sales, what you're going to notice is that once you lower your bids more and more, are you still generating the same amount of sales or not? Because that is going to be the threshold for you to notice, I removed all that additional noise from my campaigns, so now I have a more optimal ACoS, but am I losing sales? So that would be our process. First off, look up how much you're paying right now, and can you bring down your ACoS step by step to the moment that you're not going to hurt your sales? Because what is usually happening, and this is not only for new sellers, but also intermediate sellers, I would say, is that they're just going to, okay, now I have to do this huge jump and like 20% off, a bid modifier, and then you're showcasing your product in totally different placement. And then you're just gathering clicks, but no sales at all. So you're removing both your sales and the ACoS, it just jumps up because it just spent and no sales at all. So that would be my advice there.